Want to get more social media followers? Use these 5 growth hacks. Social media is an extremely powerful resource that has massive potential for bloggers, business owners, and anyone trying to drive more traffic to a website or other online platform. There are plenty of reasons for this, ranging from the fact that it lets you communicate with your audience and build a relationship, to the fact that social media has the potential for viral sharing built in. Whatever the case, you need to spend some time growing these accounts. This is how you do that in an effective and efficient manner. Promote from other platforms. Imagine a creator called Jeff. Jeff has a popular YouTube channel with 150,000 subscribers, but his Instagram account is just failing to gain any kind of traction. What should Jeff do? One answer is to create a YouTube video promoting that Instagram account. Jeff might make a video about a certain type of fitness, for instance, and then recommend the viewers go to his Instagram page to see the full workout. This seems obvious, but it's something that a lot of creators fail to consider, and it can lead to thousands of new followers almost instantly. Advertise. This may again seem obvious, but bear with me for a moment. Advertising on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube is of course an easy way to get clicks and likes. But what it can also do is to significantly increase your brand awareness. In other words, an advert means you gain exposure, which in turn can lead to people searching for your brand on that platform. What's more is that a great video ad or image can actually gain you a like even if the person doesn't click the ad. That can mean free followers almost instantly. Use social links on your website. Another way to cross-pollinate your platforms is to add social links to your website. Every new blog post should have buttons that let visitors share that content easily. Moreover, your homepage itself should have links to your social media presence so that people that want to get more information from you can find it. Be active in the community. Too many people view social media as a kind of megahorn for getting their message out, and forget that it is actually a forum for two-way communication. In other words, if you want to use social media to its fullest potential, then you need to use it as it was intended, to communicate with your followers. So ask questions, share posts, and hang out on other pages. Moreover, you should also head elsewhere. Get on Reddit and visit websites with forums. Aim to be known in the industry niche, and people will follow you because they want to communicate with you more. Ask for shares. Finally, there is nothing wrong with asking for shares. Make sure to remind people that they can follow you on social media and invite them to share your posts with their friends. If you are providing value, then they will actually want to help you.
Hey, this is Chad Pornoa. Thanks again for watching this video. What I'd like to do is offer you a free opportunity to get a powerful backlink builder for your YouTube videos. All you need to do is click the link below this video and you'll get a copy of our 2 backlink builder software for 100% free, plus with YouTube SEO training that will show you in 8 different videos how to make sure that your YouTube channel videos are getting ranked high in the YouTube rankings and Google. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.